Just welcome back to another video. Today we'll be recapping the four stocks that I traded today. As you can see on the bottom right of my screen, we have AMD, Boeing, Tesla, Tesla long, and Tesla short. So, the first stock we have is AMD. I took a position at 39.50. So 39.50 was here. Okay, so I noticed AMD had a support at this level, had one rejection in this level, came back, tested support, bounced off of support, and went back to resistance, started breaking resistance. I bought on resistance, started coming back immediately. Then I just sold now. A way I could have, in this point, in this very time, in this moment in time, I was trading emotionally. So now what I could have done and what I should have done was take my position, have my stop at the real support, and look for a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-1 on this trade, which would have been 40 cents or 50 cents. So, um, got out with a losing trade because I got shook out on this candle. But that was that. Traded emotionally on AMD, took my loss, did not hold it, and I just moved on from there. So now, looking at the next trade that I took was BA. I took BA short at 104.06. So you can already see something's wrong with this. As you can see, I was trading an overextended stock to the downside. Instead of taking the position, which was the last trade, the last real trade was at 115. I was going to take it. I didn't know my share size. I skipped out on the trade. And then instead of taking this retest, which was it had a support right here, the support was now acting a resistance here. It didn't come over. I could have gone on this retest and then had a trade to the downside, but instead I tried to get this big wick, big bar to the bottom, consolidation bar, um, a retest on me. Um, got out with another loss. So that was that. Came out with two emotional trades. And I realized my mistakes, and you can very well see them easily when looking back on the trades. I chased. I missed the moves initially. I missed the initial moves, the real moves. I got emotional. I wanted to make money, and I end up losing. I end up chasing, buying here all the way down there, and I paid for it. Took two losers, two small losers, and we just moved on from there. So looking at Tesla, I took a long position at 414. So if we get a line and we go 414, it's about there. Um, as you can see, it had a push up, rejection, pull back. I bought at 414, anticipating a move up. Went up, started pulling back immediately. And then just got out with my profit. Got out with a $50 profit. Um, I think it was a good trade. It was in anticipation of a continuation of the move. After having a pullback, I waited for the pullback. I did not chase it. Um, I think I did everything right here. In reality, this probably would have been a red trade. It would have been a red trade. I took my profits. I moved on. Um, as you can see, there was another breakout here, which were much better breakouts. Didn't take them. Yeah, that's it. Just didn't take them. So now I took Tesla short. As you can see, my biggest trade of the day. I took Tesla at 410. So shorted Tesla at 410. I had a stop to 415. I wasn't gonna let this come back. I knew if it was gonna get rejected here, it has a resistance in this general area, and that it can push all the way there, and I wouldn't want it to. So I had a tighter stop, and I made 2 points on it. I mean, not 2 points. I made 1 R. So I made a little more than my risk. 405. Actually, I made 2 R on this. So I had an average sell of 400. I took an initial profit, and then I let some shares ride. I end up selling about here the rest of my shares, and I got out for $100 winner. So as you can see, if you do the math, I'm up a little less than $50, or a little more than 50 bucks. Um, things that you can learn from my trading today is, once you miss the initial move, don't try to look for, if you have a planned trade like my 410 short. If I would have missed this trade and tried to get back in here, this would have been chasing. That would have been emotional trading. That would have been chasing. So have a planned trade, trade your plan, and other than that, wait for another consolidation. If I had another consolidation just like this down here, and then a breakdown in anticipation of its low, that would have been another good trade. So that's one tip. Trade your plan. Don't chase. The first breakdown is usually the highly profitable breakdown, and just trade in that direction of the stock. If the stock is trending down, short it. If the stock is trending up in the moment, go long. So, yep. This concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you for watching. And yep, see you guys tomorrow.